Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening the document and selecting the exact text you want to change. This ensures only intended content updates. Once selected, make sure the Home tab is visible because the font group lives there. If you prefer keyboard speed, press Ctrl+A to select all or Shift+arrow keys for precision. You do this now so the rest of the steps apply immediately to the selection, avoiding unintended global changes to the whole file or template. You now change the visible type. Open the font drop-down and pick a font family that matches your tone: serif for formal, sans serif for modern. Once done, choose a size from the size menu or type a precise number if you need consistency, like 11 or 12. Make sure to apply bold or italics sparingly to emphasize. If you need spacing, ligatures, or advanced features, click the small font dialog launcher to access more controls and you finish by clicking outside the text or pressing ESC to preview how the document reads, then save your file to lock changes. If this is for sharing, use Save As and choose PDF to preserve appearance across systems. If the font looks different on another computer, install the missing font there or embed fonts via File Options Save, check Embed Fonts in the file. If embedding fails, substitute with a common fallback font and recheck layout before sending.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.